My interior design MA project is to design an interior space for special children who miss key development milestones. It is titled Child Development Center. The targeted children are in the age group of 1 to 8. These children lack development in psychosexual, cognitive, sociocultural, social, psychosocial, behavioral, and attachment. The approach is to find solutions to the problems of these development areas like communication, gross motor, cognitive, fine motor, and emotional by careful selection of interior design elements like color, form, space, texture, and pattern. The site is located at the heart of Qatar's capital, Doha, in a neighborhood called as Qatara Village, known for art and culture. The building is designed like a gift-shaped mall, attracting children of all age groups. The focus area in this practice module 1 is to carry out interior design of the reception lobby serving the Child Development Center. Accordingly, a space is considered at ground floor of this building. Color being the most challenging of all design elements for special children is considered in this module for design development. Every color conveys different meaning, and this will help me to create a visual hierarchy in the design. For the Creative Catalyst brief, under the theme Bridging the Gap, I have considered the design of entrance, which being the key interface between home and the center for these children. A careful approach to its design will have lasting memory in their minds. The current entrance to the building is made of curtain glazing. I have proposed this to be altered to accommodate my facade design, which will resemble like a home for children to easily relate and to have a personal attachment to the facility. Of all the five human senses, my design approach is focused on vision through proper application of colors, hearing through proper acoustical treatments, and touch by appropriate finishes. For the sense of hearing, a blue flowing water body is proposed just before the entrance to create a soothing atmosphere in the minds. Upon entering the interior space is a peaceful white soundproof room to bring sense of stability and focus to the children. Color yellow will have positive impact on children by bringing lot of energy, joy and happiness. An inviting yellow ramp corridor is proposed just opposite to the entrance door. Their sense of touch gets satisfied by playing through the slider. The main target of parents coming to the center is to find a most appropriate space for their children. Every child is different and accordingly their needs. This is symbolically captured by having multicolor waiting area. Concentric circles trigger a movement. Keeping kids at same place is a big challenge, but letting them freely roam is also a constraint for parents. This colorful concentric circular space will help kids returning back easily. Each node in a circle itself has potential of subsource. The seating area for parents are proposed in the periphery, and while waiting for their turn, they can keep their kids engaged with some activity within the pocket available to them. The center point of a circle is of high importance as it has equal distance from all points. The reception of the facility is strategically located at the center of the waiting hall to cater the request from all parents and to have a visual connection with them equally. The centrifugal force is the force that is required to make things work and is necessary for acceleration. This is symbolically used in the ceiling design of waiting area with multicolor high pressure laminate finish to communicate the idea of special education. Maze symbolizes challenge and helps an individual to find a way out. While parents engage in discussion with the facility, the kids can have their playtime within this peaceful green colored maze located within the vestibule space around the waiting area. LEGO stands for constructive thoughts, creativity, building new dreams, making new goals, and achieving heights. This is integrated in the construction of maze, wherein a kid can easily relate and get attracted to these big scaled blocks. Stars have been symbolic of divine guidance and protection. It also symbolizes a big change or turning point in person's life. To depict this, fiber optic cables to lit like stars backed by dark navy blue ceiling is proposed above the maze play area. To conclude, this walkthrough will visually explain the concept of movement by use of this carefully selected color palette for special children and its behavior in the interior design of the reception lobby. Thank you.